How to stake COV tokens. How can one participate in the co-vesting yield accounts? If you're a user of the co-vesting module, you can find the Yield tab from your account dashboard. If you click on Yield Rates on the left, you can see the current annual percentage yield rates, the historical APY rates, and estimate your returns. In the My Accounts tab on the left, you can see your current stakings and the staking history. If you stake your COV tokens, which you can do from the My COV tab, you can benefit from an up to 100% yield increase. It depends on the membership plan you choose. The minimum staking account is $100 in crypto. The interest is counted and paid daily with no locking period, which is good news for those who like maximum flexibility in their crypto trades. To start staking, click on Stake Now in the Yield Rates tab, the current APY rates space for the chosen crypto. You'll see a table for the terms of staking. If you check the box and accept them, your account will immediately start earning passive income for as long as you want. Keep in mind that the staking request placed before 11 p.m. UTC is valid until the following day, and the request after 11 p.m. UTC goes live 2 days later. When the staking is live, observe your yield in the My Accounts tab on the main dashboard under Yield Accounts. How to use COV tokens for leverage trading. Finally, the COV tokens can also be used as collateral for leverage trading on a margin account or for copy trading. Crypto leverage lets you trade more money than you actually have. This means a possibility to make bigger profits if the market conditions, as well as the individual risk and reward appetite, are evaluated well. This is a more experienced trading strategy, which you can learn about more in PrimeXBT's Trading Academy channel on YouTube. That is all about PrimeXBT, the platform of choice for many beginner crypto traders who want to conveniently earn on their tokens by employing different co-vesting strategies or staking their crypto tokens at hand.